I've decided to vlog. It's a Saturday, I think it's the 2nd of October. Everybody does vlog. I've just woke up. It's past 9. It's no 4 minutes past 9, so I've been awake since maybe 8:30. But I just stayed in bed. I decided I was going to vlog in Vlogtober and see how it goes. Hopefully 2 vlogs a week. That's what I can commit to. I don't think there'll be much happening, but it's worth giving it a go. So let's go and have my coffee. Need to drink hot water.
It will make me think it's hot. That's medication.
Hello, I've got my cup of coffee. I've literally just woken up like I told you, so we're just going to have a chat. I've really nothing planned, but I'm just going to vlog kind of like things that are happening right now. Someone has to go and get some milk, so hopefully they will be out of here and we can get talking, because they've just accused me of having a YouTube accent and a home accent because I've just been telling her to do something. And what did I say? Well, I'm not embarrassed about my Zimbabwean accent. You can hear it come through right here. I have that Zimbabwean twang. It doesn't matter what happened. The African twang comes through no matter what. So let me have coffee and we'll talk.
Go from the waitrose, but then you have.
I'm keeping this in here. They will hear it.
Huh?
Okay guys, so I was saying to you guys that I'm going to try and vlog. I cannot vlog every single day. It's impossible because I am not very good at editing and stuff like that, but I'm going to try and put out 2 vlogs throughout. So the memory card just got full while I was halfway through talking, and I was talking about how I'm going to be trying to vlog throughout Vlogtober. 2 videos, vlogs actually, a week, and then 1 kind of, I don't know how it's going to go, but it's going to be 1 sit down kind of formal video and 1 vlog type video. At the moment, I just want to tidy up a little and we'll see where this is going to take us today. So come along. I'm going to put the dishes away first and then see where we go. So these are the dishes that I am going to be putting away, and don't have many dishes in the sink but that needs sorting and just a little tidy because I did a lot of tidying up yesterday before I went to bed, so there's not going to be much to do today. So let's get on with it.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already.
I just wanted to show you some of the things that I use when I'm doing the laundry. So I'm not very picky at what I use as a detergent, but I always make sure that I add some Flora for disinfectant, and it also leaves a very good smell on my clothes, and I use Comfort. If I'm going to dry the clothes in the washing machine or in the dryer, as you'd call it, in the tumble dryer, I would use these Lenore tumble dryers. So what happens is if I use this, it will also leave the clothes really smelling good and smelling as if I've dried them outside. And you know we're really challenged when it comes to weather here. So anything helps. I just thought I would show you that. Let's go back to the time lapse. So I just made a meal that was sent to me kindly by It's to Go Food. It's nothing to do with here. It's on Instagram. I will link my Instagram somewhere, which is SCESY__MOY if you want to see what I created with the meal that was sent to me, which is delicious. Now, I think we'll just do a try on. I've been sent jumper and some socks. We're going to try them on. And I think this jumper and socks, I'm going to be wearing them all winter, literally, especially when I go out on my walks. Oh, so I forgot. Oh, now you're focused. I forgot to show you. So I'm wearing this polo neck on top, and guess what I'm wearing at the bottom? Pajamas. Literally, this happens all the time. When I was just filming, I was just showing my top half, so I thought, stop the top half and leave the bottom because I just don't have time. Anyway, I'm going to show you that jumper that I talked about, and then I'll sit down and watch this new Netflix film. I think it's called The Squid Game. Have you watched it? If you do, tell me in the comments below if you like it or anything of the sort. Yeah, let me show you, and then I'll sit down and watch it. It's a Saturday. You know, I woke up late because I show you when I woke up, and yeah, I've been go, and now it's about, I think it's 3 o'clock. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock and I'm just getting to sit down, and I think it's very important for me to sit down sometimes and chill. So let's wear this jumper, see what it looks on me, and I think we'll end the vlog here, and then we'll have another one come up soon. Okay, so as I promised, we're going to let's try the socks first, because the socks, I need to show this on Instagram as well, so I'm going to undo them nicely so I can put them back and I can show them on Instagram as well. Oh, I actually like this socks. There you go. I'll have everything linked. This was sent to me as a PR sample, so. Ooh, I actually like them. Let me show you. There they are. Yeah, I like the socks for sure. And let's try the jumper on. I have the dehumidifier on because I've been doing the laundry. I ordered it in a large because if I want to wear anything underneath, well, they gave me a choice. They told me if I wanted, I choose what I wanted, and I chose this. And this is it. So I'll be out running, feeling nice and warm and cozy in this. It feels like it's real cotton. So there you go. It's getting dark because it's going to rain, so I'm going to leave the vlog over here, guys. I know I feel like I don't have much to say or do, but I'll do my best and just vlog twice a week as I promised, and one video of whatever it is that I'll put up, and we'll see how it goes. That will be for Vlogtober. I hope you enjoyed this. Comment, like, and subscribe. Share, please, if you have any friends who have nothing to do but watch me on YouTube ramble on.